こんにちは, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you. And today, I'm going to share how to make the French toast that we really enjoyed during our trip to Kinugawa Onsen this past summer. We stayed at a ryokan that offered a fantastic breakfast, and their featured dish was the freshly made French toast. Mr. JOC loved it so much that he shamelessly went to ask the executive chef how to make it. To our surprise, the chef gave us his recipe. He also told us to use quality milk, egg, and bread for delicious French toast. Now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you love Japanese food, please follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. Since you guys are all watching till the end of this video, here's the Japanese word of the day. 朝食. It means breakfast in Japanese. Sometimes it's called asagohan. If you wonder what Japanese people eat for breakfast, well, we eat both Western style like French toast, pancake, and pastries, as well as Japanese style with rice, miso soup, and grilled fish. 朝食. Have fun using it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to click the bell icon. Sending big thanks and love to the notification squad. See you next time with a brand new video here on my YouTube channel. またね!